Red, she's ready. Well, it's an Xforce. Red, we went in here and we pulled out all of your DEIs. And out of the 6 that were in it, 2 were bad. And it was this one and this one. So we removed those. We replaced the 10 ohm smoke devices, 10 ohm smoke resistors there. And smoke is a joke term. It's just a joke. It's not the actual technical term. And then we went in and we beefed up your electrolytic filtering circuit. The reason we did that is he had a single little cap in there about that big. But anywho, we put 2 bigger Mallories in it, and we moved the positive leads from directly feeding on the bus bar over here, so they have to pass across the electrolytic circuit first before they get to the actual device that's receiving a current. We went and reinforced the distribution bar, and the reason we did that is because I can't tell you how many of these that just burn up. And the phenolic, plus I don't care how much solder you put on top, isn't quite enough to carry the current underneath heat. We heavily modified your output tune quite a great deal. Then again, I think the end results will please you. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's get around the band here real quick. We're using 1000 watt slug in PEP, 1000 watt slug in average, 5 watt slug in reverse. Of course, you're using 955, and we're using a 5 watt slug in between the driver amplifier or the 6-pill and the 955. We're going to use the bench 2-pill here in a minute. And to keep our drive wattage down a little bit, we're running on 12 volts. Alright, this is off. Now we all know that this radio does about 80 watts worth of swing. Dick for average, that's why the average meter barely moves. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Now in all fairness, let's see what it's getting for drive on 12 volts. Hello. About 80 watts of drive. So 80 watts of drive gets you a 100 watt dead key, 80 watt dead key, 90 watt dead key. It swings you to 900. Let's spice up life just a little bit. Oh, I'm skipping a step. I'm getting ahead of myself. Gosh, man. Here's your input tune. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Spot on the money, man. Spice up life. Let's turn on the 2-pill. Shut this amp off. So we're gonna dead key 20 watts. Hello, audio. We're gonna swing 300 into it. Okay. Now we already know we're gonna bang the hell out of that meter. But it's okay. It's a bird. It's a tough. It can handle it. I thought this thing was supposed to instantly explode. There's a 600 watt dead mall. Do that again. I don't suggest that you run it there. I really don't, Red. I just proven a point. We'll turn the dead key down on the radio a little bit. That'll make it swing to nothing. Turn the variable up on the 2-pill. Let's set it in a nice soft 400. Alright. Let's take that to 2x. Now we're reading the 2000 watt scale. Now, Red, we already know how this goes. Right here between the 40 and the 60, the 50 mark, right there, that's 1000 watts, okay? Hello. 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 I've been keying this whole time with no shame. Not even warm yet. Let me go grab my digital imager over there. So this bridge is getting hotter than the rest, but we're uniformly about 100 degrees. Everything's working. Now that's with no airflow on it this entire time we've been keying it. There's no airflow. This fan's just turning and it's blowing into the cabinet and tumbling out. It's not making the loop. I went ahead and I blocked off on this end of the heat sink so there wasn't a big giant gap that air could flow right through. It's now got to go straight through the cabinet and exhaust out. Laminar. Anywho, red. This thing's beautiful. It's ready to go. I don't think you're going to have any more problems with it. I really honestly don't. For everything I see on this end, which I backed up with video, I don't see any problems whatsoever. Keep your dead key about 300, 400 at the most. You can dead key it less. That's on your max side. Go to about 150 to 300 watts worth of peak drive, and you're going to see great numbers out of it, and it's going to last you forever. The heart of the device is the key to its success. The device at the core of the box is the key to its success. Anyhow, Red, enjoy it. My name is BBI, and without a shadow of a doubt, I am the biggest mud duck in Idaho. Come check us out, www.bbiamps.com. I appreciate everybody's projects you guys are sending up to me. I am inundated. I've been working my tail feathers off to try and get caught up. I do what I can, but there's only one of me, so everybody be patient. I'm trying to get to everybody as fast as I can. I'll see ya. Bye.